Hello everyone, bonjour les amis, and welcome back for a new episode of Enjoy with John. Today we are in Bangkok, and more precisely in Sukhumvit area, and today we're gonna go try a burger, so see you there. So we are about to arrive at this burger restaurant, Bang Bang, and there you go, Mr. Kevin is here today. How are you, bro?
Good.
You good?
Yeah.
How you feel?
Excited.
Excited? Are you hungry?
Yes, super.
Shall we go?
Let's go.
Allez, let's go.
Welcome.
Hello. Hi, Sanya. Great to see you. How are you doing today?
Welcome to Bang Bang. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you so much for welcoming Kevin and I to your new burger restaurant.
Yes.
Thanks. We are happy to visit, so please show us around whenever you're ready.
Coming. Let's follow me outside.
Okay, we follow you outside.
Well, this is the kiosk where we prepare our burgers,
Okay.
and you can see all the selections here. Cheeseburgers, bacon cheeseburger, Iron Mike is our specialty, smash burgers, chicken, crispy chicken burgers, and crispy fish burgers. So here we have an outdoor area.
Okay.
Where people can eat outdoors, eat, drink, chill.
Oh,
Every
very
weekend
nice.
we have live music here.
Yeah.
This corner. Follow me. In here you can see we have a TV screen to follow
The games.
football games, F1 races.
Okay.
Here we have our bar,
Nice.
wide selections of beer from all around the world, specializing in Belgian beer. Yes, this gets very busy on the weekend.
Wonderful.
Upstairs we have a mezzanine probably. This is our Wall of Fame, where we celebrate athletes, civil rights heroes, artists. We have Muhammad Ali, Martin Luther King, Annie Roll, Jean-Michel Basquiat, and some illustre, unknown people as well. Have a seat. Have a seat here. It's one of the best seats in the house.
Ah, amazing.
Allez, asseyez-vous.
The menu looks amazing.
So today I recommend the sweet potato fries, the lard fries, and jalapeno pocket.
Okay, great.
Sonia, we will accept whatever you offer us today because
Great.
honestly everything looks amazing. The photos are super appetizing, and Kevin and I are super hungry, so we look forward to discovering your burgers.
Great.
I am in the kitchen of Bang Bang Burgers, and we're gonna show you a bit the preparation.
ก็จะเอาผ้า
Ah là là, amazing. Looks great. Huh, Kevin?
Super great.
What do you think? You think we can finish it all? Oh la la. One more burger. Sanya, how many burgers you give to us today? 4 burgers for 2 people.
3 Iron Mike,
Okay.
1 in lamb, 1 in beef, 1 in Beyond Meat. We specialize in Beyond Meat as well.
Which is a plant-based burger for vegan, huh?
For vegetarian.
For vegetarian people.
So you guys have to try to guess which one is beef, which one is plant-based, and which one is lamb.
Okay, I have
We
my
have to
idea.
guess.
Okay, this
And
one
this
the
is
fish.
the Jabba Jaw, which is our crispy fish burger.
Crispy fish burger.
Tartar sauce.
Very interesting. What kind of fish is it, Sanya?
It's a tapiala.
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 Ah.
The Andaman Sea.
Great. Thank you. We're gonna enjoy. Merci.
Here's our sweet potato fries.
Oh, nice.
Amazing.
Amazing, huh? We are about to try the fantastic burgers, at least in appearance, and Kevin and I will come back to you for the taste.
Oh là là. Okay.
Looks good, right? So far, we enjoy very much the burgers. I have to say that the taste is amazing. Yummy, American flavors, beautiful texture, meat perfectly cooked. So now we're about to try the fish burger. The sauce, honestly, to me, is the highlight of this place. Sanya, honestly, the sauce. In each product that you serve, there's a really feeling and signature with the sauce. That's something that will mark me today is the quality of the sauce with all your ingredients and toppings. Well done. Honestly, I'm super impressed.
Thank you.
Et ben voilà, c'est fini. We ate all their burgers. It's all gone. Kevin, what did you think about this experience at Bang Bang?
Okay, that's super. I mean, it's amazing. I'm not gonna say amazing. I said that 10 times tonight. But a big preference for the smash burger. I think the bread is not too filling. It's like easy to eat. The side dish also amazing. You know the
jalapeno,
sweet potatoes. So it's the sweet potatoes.
sweet potato fries, very nice.
The highlight
Jalapeno.
of the dinner for me.
Okay, great.
And yeah, the sauce, like they all packing some punch. No, it's great.
Will you recommend Bang Bang burgers to people?
For sure, it's like perfect location in the middle of Soi 11, close to the nightlife, and so no, it's perfect.
Thank you, John, for coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kevin and I, we had a great experience at your burger place today. Merci à toi, and we will be very happy to recommend your restaurant to all the people who come to visit Bangkok or who come on holiday in Thailand and stop by the capital. Is there anything you will be ready to offer for the people who come after watching this video today?
It's a great pleasure. We can offer 10% off your bill
Okay, very nice.
using the promo code in sauce we trust.
Et ben voilà, so if you come to Bang Bang Burgers and you meet Sanya, you have fantastic meal like a lunch or dinner, you say in sauce we trust, and I do believe and trust in your sauce. The sauce is great here. So you say that, and then Sanya will be very happy to give you 10% discount on your total bill, correct?
Correct. If I'm not here, it works as well.
If he's not here, you just tell in sauce we trust to any team member here, and le tour est joué. Voilà. Thank you so much again.
Thank you, Jack.
And see you very
See you
soon.
again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you like Kevin, if you like Mr. Sanya, you can put a like on the video. And if you haven't done it yet, you can also subscribe to continue to support our work, and we'll be very happy to show you more episodes coming very soon. Thank you so much again for watching. Enjoy with John. À bientôt. Bye bye.